Hey you guys, Cerise here, Cerise D Magazine, and today we are doing a salsa trio for the June issue of Cerise D Magazine. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Be sure to follow along with us here on YouTube. Okay you guys, today we're doing the salsa trio. We're going to start off first with a pico, okay? Pico is usually everything is cut fresh. And we're going to do a sweet salsa. So I want to do a pineapple pico salsa. You could do mango, you could do peach, you could do whatever. I just so happen to be allergic to mango and peaches, so that's why I've chosen to do pineapple today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some heirloom tomatoes and just really easy, you're just gonna dice them. Okay, so now let's combine all the things. So we're gonna take our yellow, I wanted to keep this a yellow tone, but you could certainly do the red or whatever color you want. We're gonna take all of our tomatoes, put it in a bowl. We're going to take our fresh pineapple, use fresh, okay? Put that in there. And you can adjust the ratio if you want it less sweet, don't do as much pineapple. We're gonna do white onion. And then I've got some fresh jalapeno. Now, I don't like spice a lot, so I'm not gonna put all of this in here, just a little bit to add a little bit of color. And then we are gonna go in with cilantro. Now, I know cilantro is controversy, or can be controversial. Some people don't like it. So again, you're just going to omit what you don't like or substitute what you don't like. I don't think it tastes like soap at all. This looks good already. I love the colors. We've got the yellow, the green. This looks fantastic. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of lime juice. Could not find my little squeezer, so you can always just take a pair of tongs and squeeze it in between the tongs to get out the juice. Make sure you get it in the bowl though. And then we're gonna add some salt and pepper, and that's our pico. Some chips. Don't need nothing else. That's perfect. Love it. Let's go in with salsa number 2. We are going in with a roasted, kind of traditional salsa. So as you can see, what we did was we've taken our tomatoes and we've roasted them. We've done onions, all roasted on the grill. And what you really want when you're roasting, you just want some really good char marks. And that char and that grill is gonna give it this really great smoky flavor. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, so let's get this down. Okay, now that we've kind of got that smushed in, now you can blend it to your desired texture. If you want it smoother, go smoother. If you don't want it that smooth, then you can leave it chunky. Now the next thing is your heat. I don't do heat. I don't like heat. I don't like it one bit. So, but I did grill up. I've got habaneros. I've got jalapeno, and you can see the char marks on these, right? From the grill. And then I've got some serrano pepper. All of this is hot to me, but I am gonna take the least hot, which is gonna be our jalapeno, and add one of those in here. But first, I want to remove some of the seeds to eliminate some of that heat. Okay, so in with our jalapeno, we've de-seeded it, and it's going in the blender. Let's go in with a little salt and pepper as well. And of course, we want to go in with lime. Okay, so let's go in with a taste. I think that's good, but I kind of feel like I want a little bit more lime juice. Let's add that and we're gonna be all set. That's it. Okay, so I think we are here. I've added a little bit more salt, a little bit more lime. As you know, salt is always going to be to taste because everybody has a preference. And look at this, it is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so to round out our salsa trio, we are going in with the green salsa verde. And what we are using is tomatillos. So we've roasted, again, our tomatillos, our onions, and a little bit of garlic, and we're adding all of this right to our blender. Look at the char marks on these. Also into our blender, we are going to do avocado, because keep in mind this is a green salsa verde, or just a salsa verde. And we're adding the avocado because it's gonna round it out and it's going to give it more of a creamy consistency. Okay, so let's go in with our cilantro. A little more lime juice. And our jalapeno. Salt and pepper. And also, I'm just gonna give this a touch of cumin. It's like a half a teaspoon. All right, let's give it a blend. Now, if your salsa is too thick, you can always go in with a touch of water to thin it out. Okay, let's give it a taste. It's so green. That is delicious. And that jalapeno is getting me good. Okay, I think it's too thick. I'm gonna go in with just another touch of water. And let's go back and blend a little more. I'm so excited about this green salsa verde. I love this color. Woohoo, look at that. Thank you guys for watching. This is Cerise D with Cerise D Magazine. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you love everything, please leave a comment. Thank you guys for joining us, and this is our Salsa Trio.